you with my empty hands. I have no weapon, but should I be forced to defend myself, my principle and my honor, should it be matter of life or death, right or wrong? Then here are my weapons. Mixed martial art red scorpion. My empty hands, so help me God.
Then in our logo, what is the meaning of peace?
Indomitable spirit, Master.
Very good. How about the 6 berries combination?
6 continents of where the earth transfer spreading, Master.
Okay. And how about what is the meaning of letter M at the center of our logo? The meaning of white background.
Purity, Master.
Very good. And what is the meaning of 14 leaves combination?
14 leaves original provinces of Korea, Master.
Very good. What is the meaning of Tang? What is the meaning of Tang?
Dynasty, Master.
Very good. What is the meaning of So? In Tangsudo?
Indomitable spirit, Master.
Combination, what is the meaning of So?
Peace or head, symbolizing indomitable spirit, Master.
Very good. And what is the meaning of Do? In Tangsudo?
Way, Master.
Very good. Who is the Grandmaster of Tangsudo in Korea? The founder and the Grandmaster of Tangsudo, Korean Tangsudo in Korea. Combination.
Grandmaster One Key, Master.
Very good. Okay. So who's the Vice President and the Candy Staffer in Philippines?
Master Babiram, Master. Fifth Danben.
How about the Vice President in Singapore?
Senior Sam Gilias, Master.
Okay. Who's the Secretary of Operation?
Ma'am Annabelle, Master.
Okay. Who's the Black Belt?
Master Aisha, Master.
Okay, very good. Then who's the founder and Grandmaster of Pumaay, Tangsudo? Before Master Margaret Martinez?
SPD Shaugil Villamin, Martinez Senior, Master.
Okay, very good. We have the aspect of martial arts, right? So, if you want, Treasury,
Art, Master.
Mamamira,
Self-defense, Master.
Foundation.
Sports and competition, Master.
Okay, very good. We have 7 principles in martial arts. Give me 2, Mamamira.
Never use by means of aggression.
Another one.
Do not use to kill an armed opponent, Master.
Very good. Another 2, Mamamira.
Use as self-defense, Master.
Another one.
To defend the weak, Master.
Very good. Treasury.
Never abuse, Master.
Another one.
Maintain integrity, Master.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we proceed to basic and fundamentals. The control position of the power stance. Move. Ambrose, what is the name of that stance?
Forward stance, Master.
Ate Jay, what is the purpose of your right hand?
Deliver another punch, Master.
What is the weight distribution at the front, Ambrose?
25%, Master.
What is the weight distribution at the back, Ma'am Jay?
25%, Master.
The distance between your leg, Ma'am Ben?
2 shoulder weight, Master.
Okay, very good. Okay, sa dalawa na ito, okay, from that position, kay Ma'am Ben sa kay Senior Sam, ang open leg mo. Stay kayo sa forward stance, Ambrose sa kamang Ate Jay. Okay, Ma'am Ben and Senior Sam, from that position, back to back stance. Move. Very good. Okay, what is the name of that stance, Ma'am Ben?
Back stance, Master.
What is the weight distribution at the front?
25%, Master.
Very good. At the back, Ma'am Ben?
75%, Master.
Distance between your legs, Senior Sam?
1.5 shoulder weight, Master.
Okay, very good. Okay, from that position, come to open leg, move. Okay, come to forward stance, move. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the name of that strike? Senior Sam?
Hook punch, Master.
What is the target, Senior Ben?
Face or head, Master.
Okay, very good. Okay, from that position, prepare for downward punch, prepare. By the numbers, with time, speed, power, go, run! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the name of that punch, Ma'am Che?
Downward punch.
What is your target, Ma'am Rose?
Blowing master.
Very good. What is the purpose of your right hand, Ma'am Che?
To deliver another punch.
Very good. Okay, from that position, prepare for racing, prepare for triple punch. Prepare. Triple punch, 1 count, 3 strike. The timing, speed, and power. Go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the name of that punch? Senior Sam?
Rifle punch master.
What is the target at the bottom, Ma'am Rose?
Blowing master.
What is the target at the middle, Ma'am Che?
Solar plexus master.
What is the target at the high level, Ma'am Bell?
Edge of the nose master.
Okay, very good. Okay, from that position, prepare for reverse punch, prepare. Okay, reverse punch. Okay, you need to show us 10 times. With power, left and right. Write the number. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the name of that punch, Ma'am Rachel?
Reverse punch master.
What is the target, Joy?
Solar plexus master.
Very good. What is your weapon, Ma'am Amira?
Tumagas master.
Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the name of that punch, Ma'am Mikey?
Reverse punch master.
What is the target, Ma'am Mikey?
Solar plexus master.
What is your weapon, Ma'am Sheila?
Tonakos master.
What is the purpose of your right hand, Ma'am Ben?
To deliver another strike master.
Okay, back, Ma'am Sheila.
A rising block master.
What is the purpose of that block, Ma'am Mikey?
To block head strike master.
Very good. What is your weapon, Ma'am Mikey?
Outside edge of the arm master.
Very good. Again, what is the name of that block, Ma'am Lilibet?
Rising block master.
Okay, very good. Okay, what is the name of that kick, Ma'am Rachel?
Roundhouse kick master.
What is your target, Joy?
Kick master.
Very good. What is your weapon, Ma'am Amira?
And step master.
Okay, very good. From that position, okay, jumping from the kick, ha? Okay, ready? Prepare. Ready? 1. Very good. 2. 3. Okay, what is the name of that kick, Senior Sam?
Jumping frontal kick master.
Target, Ma'am Ben?
Kick master.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Baru. Baru. Baru.
Okay, very good. Okay, give time to... Okay, Jayat. Yone. Yubi. Okay. Mixed martial arts. Kata number 4. Jayat. Yone. Yubi. Jack. Very good. Very good. Ready? Move! Okay, very good. Okay, continue fighting stance. I will command based on the number. Then based on the number, you show us. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, back to fighting stance. Okay, what is the number 12 target, operation?
Headmaster.
What is the number 5 target, Joy?
Level master.
What is the number 6 target, Ma'am Amira?
Right chest master.
What is the other target, the number 8 target, Ma'am Rachel?
Heart master.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Ready, as fast as you can, with timing, speed, and power. Okay, 1 count. 1. Okay, very good. Chase partner.
Gagaling ah.
Okay, ready. The fighting stance. Move. Okay, ready. As fast as you can. With timing, speed, power. 1. Okay. Self-defense number 1. Move. Slow motion. Okay, go. Okay, very good.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yes.
Okay, very good. Go. Okay, good. Slow motion.
Hindi pa talaga mula na dito.
Ayun. Yun eh. Okay. The fighting stance. Move. Okay, self-defense against straight punch. Nice one. Okay, so si Mapel naman yung magde-defense sa ngayon. Same. Same technique. Okay. Ready, against punch. Move. Defense ka, Mapel. Ready. Move. Move. Very good. Okay, ready. Move. Very good. Change. Move.
Yan.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Move. Already. Move.
Ay!
Push down.
Ay!
Move. Dahan. Okay, move. Touch. 1, 2.
Yun.
Yan.
Sa gitna sana kayo. Sa gitna kayo.
Armbar. Dahan. Very good. Pati kagat ha.
Atamin mo na.
Okay, very good. Very good. Filming. Duty.
Okay, Katmira.
Okay, congratulations.